Are we switching sides today?
No. Oh, yeah. Just be very, very careful. When you sit down, don't lean back.
Don't lean back.
Don't lean back.
Don't sit too hard. That's
the chair
muddy.
might flip over
And
backwards.
Muddy. This ground is soft.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Morning.
Morning. Cheers. Love you.
Love you guys too. Good morning.
Hello there.
Oh, wow.
Oh, my.
Sure is pretty up here.
It is. We're up on the hill.
We are. We're up on the hill. There's wildflowers like all around us. There's lupin are in bloom. There's other little teeny tiny yellow flowers and purple ones. And
Hey, what did the daddy flower say to the baby flower? Hey, bud.
Nothing else? I get it, bud. Have some more coffee. You have another one?
Oh
Are
my
these-
gosh. How do you fit 100 math teachers in a room that's only big enough for 99 of them? You carry the one.
Ah, that's a pretty good one. I like that one. I like that one. Well, how is everybody today? Thank you for joining us. We appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so and make sure you click the notification bell so you will get notified every time we have a video out. Please thumbs up, comment, and share the video that you want to torture your friends with.
Yes. That's all they're good for.
All friends are good for, or all our
No,
videos
all the
are good
videos.
for?
All the videos.
Okay. I was pretty neglected filling out our board, so I kind of quickly did it this morning. So you may think of something else we did this week that I totally spaced on. But last Saturday, I think we just continued more purging because we knew we were going to go on Monday to our storage unit. But Sunday morning, I took a couple of bins that I had filled up and took them to storage, and then I went to my old childhood house I grew up in, and a friend of mine is now renting that house. My mom sold it, I think it was been 4 years now.
Yeah, it's been a few
Somebody
years.
else has lived in it for 3 years, and then my friend's cousin bought it at the end of March, and
It's a small world.
yeah, and is renting in Reno. Used to be a small city. It's getting bigger and bigger all the time, much to my dismay. But a friend of mine is renting the house, and it was just kind of fun. I stopped by to go say hi and see her, and it's just cool. The house has been remodeled and a few things done differently, but it's some of the same stuff is there, and it's just kind of cool to see it. And so that was fun. I went and stopped by there, and my mom's lilac bushes were in full bloom, so I asked my friend if I could swing by and pick some up on my way to my mom's house, and she said of course. So
Was your bedroom still there? Did you go in the house?
yeah.
Did you open the closet?
No, Leif Garrett is not still there. My mom took that down when she moved out.
Leif Garrett.
Yeah.
She had pictures of Leif Garrett in her closet.
Just what I don't think I put that there. Mom did. She
Whatever.
came across it and she stuck it in my closet.
Whatever. I saw
No,
it. That's all that matters.
I had him all over a whole wall. I came across that picture the other day.
Notice the surprised look on my face.
Pam, I'll have to show it to you. I also came across a big old box full of my Leif Garrett pictures, Scott Baio,
Oh, geez. Here
Willie
we go.
Ames,
Here we go.
Donnie and Marie.
Holy moly.
Yep. But it was fun going there, and I've actually been there a couple times since. But on Monday, you and I
Yeah.
went to storage. You and me and Bear. We went to our storage unit, and we pulled 90% of our stuff
Yeah.
out.
More than 3/4 of everything in
Yeah.
there out, reorganized, downsized that actually. We found a bunch of stuff that we just don't need anymore, so
Yep.
they went into a trash pile. and we reorganized boxes and pushed it all back in there, and actually looks nice and neat now.
Yeah, we can find things. We still have more to add because we're not done in the trailer yet.
Yeah.
But we need to get rid of, there's a bunch of electronic stuff. And we know that there's a lot of people that just piddle around with that. So we're just going to either sell it really super cheap or just give it to them.
All the way
Whoever's
back
interested.
to like VCRs and VCR machines, and just
Cords and cables
I have
and-
tons of cords and cables that haven't been used. There's nothing wrong with the cords and cables, so I'm just going to put them up on the Facebook marketplace and just say $25 takes it all, whether it works or not.
Yep, there's a lot of people that
And if somebody
piddle
wants
around
to
with
say,
that kind of stuff.
would you take $20? I'm like, well, I don't know.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Take it. Get it out of here.
And then there's probably about 10 boxes, banker's boxes of files that we're shredding and
Yeah.
getting rid of and stuff too. We don't need that stuff anymore. So it's just been feeling really good getting things organized, getting stuff condensed, and
It's a downsizing start to summer.
yeah, it is.
You
So we've
know?
been super busy just doing that kind of stuff. We haven't really done a lot of anything else. Ito was still at
the doctor's.
and we had told them there was no hurry because we
Yeah.
didn't need Ito back right away in their busy little shop. And so
He made a couple decisions on the fly without checking with me, but he says, I know you'd approve this, and I did anyway. So
Yeah.
he upgraded like a big old trailer, not a trailer, but a truck kit, a truck brake kit
Yeah,
for the
towing.
back of the F-350s. Put heavy duty towing brakes on the back of it. Never had it before. So that'll help us in the future.
yeah.
So that's something we got done.
So yeah, the place we're taking it to is a friend, client of my sister's, and have become friends and of ours. So come to find out, I actually went to school with Andy.
Are you serious?
Yep. So.
I didn't think he was that old.
Dun-dun-dun. Yeah. Yeah, he's probably not. Oh, look at the little birdies. We're at the very, very top of the waterfall. It's just like a little creek up at the top on the flat part, and the birds love it. They love splashing around in
Right
it.
at the end of today's chat, we will, after the jingle close, we'll show you where we're sitting here.
Where we're sitting, yeah.
This
it's
is
really pretty
This
up
is
here.
really pretty up here.
So, and it's somewhere you all haven't seen before, so
Yes.
you can't be bored with it yet.
Yes.
So we picked up Ito on Tuesday, and everything was good, knock on wood.
Yeah.
And I was going to be gone to my mom's for 2.5 days, so I wanted to make sure that Tom had a vehicle if he needed one. Especially Bear hasn't been feeling the best, so we wanted to make sure that you had a transportation. Of course, my sister and brother-in-law are here, and they have an extra vehicle that, if necessary, in case of an emergency, you could have taken the truck.
Yeah.
But anyway, it was just nice to have it home and done, and that way I didn't have to stop in the middle of Mom's time to go pick up the truck and stuff. So, Wednesday morning, I ran back over to Jessica's to cut some lilacs for my mom from her bushes, and took them to her. And then Mom and I turned around and went straight back to storage because she wanted to work on her side of the storage unit. So I've spent a lot of time at storage lately. But Mom always loves our time while I'm there. I spend the night for a couple nights, and Thursday is her Yahtzee day with her friends, so we did that, and that was fun. And you had some fun here with some crazy thunderstorms.
Crazy thunderstorms late in the day, but Thursday morning, I'm here by myself. What did I do? I crawled up on the roof of the RV.
What?
And I did some
it.
patchwork up there, getting things ready for when I get ready to recoat the entire roof of the RV. I didn't wash it or clean it, but I did some spot cleaning and some patching and made it look really good, especially around the ladder poles that go into the roof. And
You're in trouble.
got that all complete, all done. And then the thunderstorms hit. And now we got another one starting right now.
However, my sister and brother-in-law have cameras all around their house, so they would see him fall off the roof and say, Lori, Tom just fell off the roof. Nobody's home, but we saw him on the camera. It activated the Ring doorbell. But
I was careful.
oh, you're lucky, man. You would have fallen and killed yourself. I would have killed you.
I wanted to get it done.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, you do.
I do.
Of course you do. So anyway, thunderstorms were crazy. The rain, there was like 2.5 inches of rain here in the North Valley in certain areas in just a matter of like 3 hours. And it was a torrential downpour for 3 hours. It didn't stop.
And sometimes Nevada or the Reno area doesn't get that much rain in a
A
year.
whole year goes by without getting
So,
2 or 3 inches of rain.
It was very moist.
It's crazy. And it's been raining every day.
Yeah, so the ground
Every
is
afternoon.
pretty saturated.
And it's supposed to rain. I looked on the extended weather now because we're 3 days past the 10-day forecast. The next 7 days it's supposed to thunderstorm in the afternoon.
I love it, but
It's crazy. Temperature-wise,
muddy.
not bad. 60s for highs, maybe in the low 70s, down at 40 to 45 at night.
I'm going to enjoy that while I can
It's very livable.
because it gets too hot.
Very, very livable. I
For me,
like it.
It gets too hot for me.
I like it.
What else about the thunderstorms?
That's it. We got some video on that. I don't know if I'll throw it in here. I doubt it. We might.
Yeah, he
we
was
might
just sending
use
me
it.
video
We might use that on a What Up Wednesday down the road, but I don't know.
because I was at Mom's. And it's crazy because in town, in Reno, it wasn't, or she lives in Sparks. Reno Sparks, same thing. Ooh, I know.
No, it's not.
I'm a native Nevadan, native Renoite. I can say that. Same area, but it didn't get that bad there. We had some little rain come, but that was it. Like
Yeah.
some distant thunder is all we heard. But up here,
Yeah, quite a bit
Got
of
it pretty
rain,
good.
thunder, lightning, all kinds of stuff. We're lucky it hadn't started any spot fires, but haven't heard of anything.
ooh, knock
like
on
that.
wood. I think it's just too wet,
It's
really,
just
right
it's
now.
really, really, really soggy wet.
Which-
But that's a good thing
That's
right
a
now.
good thing right now. Until it gets super, super hot and dries everything up, then you've got your fire danger
Yeah.
going on.
Yeah.
But it has been pretty nice. Gosh, we really don't have a whole lot of everything else. We've just been super busy getting stuff taken care of, so we can sit back and enjoy and relax the rest of the summer.
Yeah, trying to get stuff done. At first I thought I wanted to spread it out over the whole summer, June, July, and August, and I thought, no, let's just get it done. And then we just really don't have anything pressing the rest of the summer, and we can relax, we can visit with folks and relatives, and who knows, maybe...
And Bob and Pearl are supposed to be here. I have a
Yeah.
text from Pearl I need to answer
Yeah.
about us getting together.
Yes,
So
definitely.
we look forward to seeing them. They're in Elko right now, but heading this way soon.
Yeah.
But they're heading up to Tahoe.
Yeah.
So
But I think they're gonna stay down here at some point.
we'll talk about that
Yeah.
after.
Yeah.
So we need to get with them
Definitely.
and talk about the plans.
Yeah.
But anyway, it is just a lovely day. We want to go and enjoy it.
That's it.
So, tomorrow's reset day, so we've got some packing up to do.
Yeah, we do. We have to
So-
go dump our tanks tomorrow, so we'll move the trailer out, go to the dump station, clean them all out, flush them, dump them, come back, and we're set up for another 2.5 to 3 weeks.
Yep. Reset day.
Reset day. Wednesday, What Up Wednesday, is going to be our last leg of the journey from Yuma to Reno. So basically
From
where we
Aaron's.
were in Minden.
Oh, Minden,
We
that's
left
right.
Minden and coming here to where we are now, and then our What Up Wednesdays will pretty much be caught up. And after that, you're going to see the downsizing videos and the inventory videos and the list videos.
That is the same video.
Oh, it's all the same video. So you're going to see that video.
With all that stuff. Oh, goodness. Once
Gosh.
we get crap out of the house, then it's time for deep spring cleaning.
Yeah.
It'll be summer by then. But
Yeah.
anyway, everybody, you have a wonderful week, and we will see ya next time.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
See ya.
Okay.
We are not an affiliate of Thousand Trails. Those were free chairs obtained at the Big Tent in Quartzsite, Arizona.